Welcome back to Tutorial Race, and in this video tutorial you are going to learn about TypeScript, and in this series uh, I will discuss about TypeScript operators. So if you know any programming language, whether it's Java, C, C++, or C Sharp, any programming language, then you must be aware of operator. So what is operator? Operators are symbol or characters which define some action that will be performed on the data. The data can be variable, function, or simple two values. Suppose I'm taking a variable called a and then I assign the value 10. Then the syntax will be where a number 10 in the above statement equal to each operator and a is an operand. So you understand. Here we have taken a variable called a and then assign a value 10. So the right side, so this uh, equal to sign here is operator and a here is operand. So operand is a variable on which the action is performed. So there are following three of the operators which is supported by TypeScript: arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational operators, assignment operators, ternary or conditional operator, string operator, type of operator. So let's first see arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are normally those which use for simple calculation, generally a numerical calculation. For example, here plus minus to calculate two numbers and equal to division, this modulo operator and plus plus operator and minus minus operator. So few of the operators I would like to show you with the example so that you can understand better. Arithmetic operators. Let's create a page. Okay, just I've taken new page. Before that, let me close these tabs which is not in use. Okay, so let me name it as arithmetic operator. .ts. So first, where a number equals to 10, where b number equals to 20. So I'll use here plus operator, where some number equals to a plus b. Console.log sum. Now let's compile it and write here tsc operator.ts. There is spelling mistake. ts, and then node to this will be js, and then node. Press enter. You see the output is 30. Similarly, if you want to use this minus operator, in that case, let's compile it again. The output is minus 10. And let's do use here division operator. In that case, let's compile it, and then you can see 0.5. So we have used plus operator, minus operator, and strict operator, star operator, and this is multiplication operator. So let's calculate it. $200. So we have used this plus operator, minus operator, then asterisk operator, and this. And now let's check the modulo operator. So what is this modulo operator? Modulo operator is to find the remainder of certain number. So let me show you with one example. Let me just comment it out. Now if I want to find how many numbers are from 1 to 10 are even and odd. So let's use for loop here. For where I number I less than equal to 10, I plus plus number equal to 1. So it will start from 1 and it will go up to 10. So we are finding total number of odd and even between 1 and 10. So what we will do, we will write here if I modulo 2 equals to 0. In that case, it will be console.log the number plus I plus is even. That means if the number is divided by 2 and remainder is 0, in that case the number will be even. Else console.log the number is odd. So let's run this code. Let's first compile it. Yes. The number is 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 4 is even, 5 is odd, 6 is even. So this way you can check, it is checking here with the modulo operator. So that's the use of modulo operator. And this plus plus operator you have already seen in while loop and do while loop. That plus plus means if we are writing somewhere uh, plus plus I plus plus, that means it is equal to I plus 1. That means self increment. Similarly, if you are writing minus minus, that means every time 1 is decreasing from the self number. The next one is relational operator. So relational operators are those which shows a relation between two operands. Generally, comparison is one between two values and Boolean value is returned after evaluating the two. So if you remember, we have used in finding greater number out of two number, isn't it? In the last chapter, if and else program. So if you write here, if A is greater than B, so better let's do one thing. C yes, then sorry. Our program name was if.js. Okay, so let me open here if.js. Okay, so you have seen here we have used this greater than. Similarly, we can use for comparison thing the less than or greater. This is greater than. So if A is greater than B, then Boolean value is returned. That means if it's true or not. So let me show you one more example here. So just I'm commenting in this also. Here, just let's comment this and then yes. So now let's check by using if condition. If A is greater than B, then console.log A is greater than B. Let's just compile it. Then let's run it. So it's not showing anything because A is not greater than B, because B is greater than. So the condition is false. That is why it didn't show anything. It didn't show any result here. But if I change this, A is less than B, A is less than B. That means this operator, if in that case, let's compile again. And now run it. A is greater than, actually here will be less than. A is less than B. So this is less than operator. Now less greater than equal to, either greater than or equal to. For example, If here I use 10 and 10, so if I write if a is less than equal to 10, less than greater than equal to less than here equal to b, that means a is either less than b or equal to b. So it will show a is less than b, same thing, because a is not less than b but a is equal to b. Yes, see, then node, as you can see a is less than b. So this is just a message what we have written. We could have just written here a is either a is less than b or a is less equal to b. Similarly, this one is greater than equal to, this one less than equal to, and this is equal operator. So here I will write, remember the single equal operator is not equal operator actually. This one is the single one is called assignment operator. That means the right side value is being here. This is assignment operator. That means the right side value is being assigned into the left side. If you want to compare, then you need to use double equal to operator. So that is actually the equal operator. So now let's compare it. So you will write here a is less than b or equal to b. So in this case, it will display is, so simply we can say a is b, a is equal to b. If you check both are equal in that case, okay. Yes, then a is equal to b. So that was equal to operator, and here it is not equal to operator. Okay, so just you can write here not equal to operator. If a not equal to b, in that case it will not display anything because a is equal to b. So if I write here 11, in that case it will be true, and here a is not equal to is not equal to b. Now let's compile and check. A is not equal to b. So that was relational operator. Now in the next video I will show you the logical operator. Okay, so stay connected. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.